Hi guys, it's Ken here. In my looking up at short-term memory, somehow I tripped over something called lattice multiplication. Uh, it was invented by, who knows who invented it. It's been around for like 600 years, and they don't teach it anymore. And it was kind of interesting because apparently uh, this is, if you're in a busy environment, it was used by business people. It's not something that they teach to kids. It was never intended for kids. It was intended for adults doing business and had to multiply two numbers of any size very quickly. Now, I haven't tried it myself. This is my very first time trying it. I decided if I'm going to do my screw ups, I'm going to do it publicly, and well, we'll see if it works. So, what you need is two numbers to multiply. I don't have numbers yet. A place to draw, which is here in the computer. You could use a pen and paper. You have to know your times table, and you have to add numbers. Nothing too bad. Third grade on up could do this, but again, this isn't for kids. This is for adults. Um, anyway, so let's just give it a shot. So let's try. I don't know. I've never done this before. 3, 4. I just realized I can't draw with a mouse. 3, 4, 5, 8. Let's multiply that times 30. 372. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Alright, man, it'd be a lot easier just to type these numbers, so let's just do this. Okay. 3, give me 4, 5, 8, 8, 8. And this is how you lay it out, something like this. 3, I need more room than that. 7. So you see what I did there? We got numbers going across the top. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 372. Again, I don't know if this is going to work or not. Starting to get a little nervous here. Alright, so I'm going to draw a little box here. So, there's a box. Look at that beautiful box. Alright, and I'm going to do some lines. You're making a lattice, so something like this. Yes, it's crooked. This is my first time doing it. Go ahead and laugh. Alright. So you can see this. Basically, you're separating everything into the tens places. Tens, hundreds. This is like 10, 100, thousands, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what they're called anymore. I haven't been to school in 1,000 years. Alright. So anyway, the cool thing is, you do things. I don't do this in color. You do things in the diagonal here, which is kind of neat. Uh, because you need to separate the results. When you multiply, you're going to have to separate the results into tens and hundreds place. Feels so foreign talking about this stuff. Uh, yeah, anyway, so you can see what I'm doing here. I'm hooking up making diagonal columns here. So here you go. Okay. So you just made a beautiful looking thing that's confusing as heck. So I'm going to just start doing it. This is where you just start multiplying stuff together. So let's see. I'm going to multiply, let's see. I'm going to do this 3 times 3. Good circle, Kenny. Nice circle. Whatever. You can tell. 3. I'm going to multiply that times that. This. No more circles. Okay, that times that. So 3 times 3 is. Get out of that tool. No. No. Anyway, 3 times 2 is 9. Or 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 1, 2. 5 times 3 is 15. 10 plus 5. 8 plus 3 is 24. 20 plus 4. It's stuff you can do simply. Okay, now I'm going to do 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 7 is 28, I think. Yeah, 28. 5 times 7 is 35, is it? I think it's 35. Hope so, because that's what I'm using. 8 times 7 is 56. See, when you remember your times tables, you remember them your whole life. Alright, 3 times 2 is 6. Yeah, you need the O. It's all about the places. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 2 is 16. Now, I've decided to do this to share because I didn't want to do it by myself. And it's kind of lonely doing stuff by myself. So, I decided to share. Okay, so now all we have to do is start adding stuff together. And you're going to put that over on this side. And let's see if this works. My very first time trying this stuff. Okay, don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, we just have to add. Here, check this out. Is there a highlighting tool? Do we get a highlighting tool? That's an eraser tool. Color picker, clone stamp, recolor. Maybe that one? What happens if I use this tool? Is it going to work? No, screw it. Okay, forget that. I don't know how to use this program. Let's just finish this up. Okay, paintbrush. So, 0 is 0. Whoa, you're big and fat. Make you skinnier. Okay, we have 1. You add up in the diagonals. Okay, 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is... Am I doing this right? I bet you have to do it bottom up. Yeah, let's do bottom up. Alright, I can see where I did wrong. So, screw this. No, not yet. We don't need you yet. Okay. We start over here. I'm thinking over here. Okay? So, where was I? Well, this is good for short-term memory, bad people. Okay. This is a 6. I guess I put a 6 here. 6. This is 6, and that's a 1, and that's a 0. 6 plus 1 is plus 0 equals 7. I'm doing these in the diagonal. See, I'm doing this one now. See this one? Okay. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. So, there goes a 2. I don't got room for the 20. I gotta go all the way up here. I gotta go all the way back up here to this freaking thing. This diagonal. Alright, let's do it. 8 plus 2 is... 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 3 is... 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 0 is 18. 18 plus 6 is... 18 plus 6 is 24. Oh crap, what was I carrying over? I forgot to carry over the 2. No! So, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 0 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. There's my little 66. Now I gotta go all the way up here. Put my little carry the 2. I knew I was gonna forget to carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8. Yes, I am this dumb. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 0 is a 0. Marvelous. So our answer should be... I can't believe... If this works, this is going to be amazing to me. So, the answer should be... Whoa. Where's that 12? Hey, look at that. I put 12 over here. Check it out. Screwed up. This doesn't belong here. No, no, no. No, no, no. X you out. 2. Carry the 1 over. Ha. This should be a 1. A 1. 1. 1. You get the point. So, going down from top to bottom. 1, 2, 8, 6, 2, 7, 6. So it should be 1,000, 1, 2, 8, 6, 2, 7, 6. Let's get my calculator up and see if this works. I have no idea if this is going to work.